Up and down, high and low, appreciation and depreciation. These are the forces that define the value of everything we own. Whether it's a home, car, or piece of silver, value shifts in the market are always changing. Hello everybody and welcome back to Finance Frog, where we save smart and invest smarter. Today we'll be talking about what appreciation and depreciation are, how they impact your wealth, and what you can do to maximize your assets. If you have not already, like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for all future videos. Without further ado, let's get it on. So, what is appreciation and depreciation? Appreciation refers to the increase in a value over time, specifically one of an asset. Things that appreciate are the best investments that you can make because when you go to sell them, you get more than what you originally paid for. On the other hand, depreciation is exactly the opposite. Depreciation refers to the decrease in a value over time, specifically one of a liability. Liabilities are not usually good investments because you'll never get the same value back from them when you originally obtained it. There are some liabilities that are exceptions to this, and we'll explain them later in the video. Now that you know what appreciation is, let's take a look at some of the assets that display this concept. The first and probably most boring appreciation asset is an interest account. For example, let's look at a high yield savings account. You put money into it and every month you get paid interest by the bank or institution offering the account. By doing this, you never ever lose money and in fact only gain it. Another pretty common appreciating asset are precious metals. Precious metals like gold, silver and diamonds can appreciate, especially during economic uncertainty. On top of that, you can wear them as chains, bracelets and more. The third and our personal favorite appreciating asset is real estate. Let's say Tyler buys a property for $500k in 2012. He decides to rent it out to someone for $2,000 a month. It is now 2018 and Tyler sells it for $650k. On top of that, $144k of rent Tyler made. He will also earn $150,000 in appreciation just for holding onto the property. This also does not take into account the tax benefits Tyler can take advantage of. Now, on the contrary, let's look at some depreciating liabilities. The first and a small example of this would be designer items. Immediately after you pop the tag on that Gucci shirt, the value will drop from $1,000 to just $250. The next example of depreciating liabilities would be equipment, technologies, and appliances. These have a similar concept to clothing, as once they are used more and more, the value of them drops. The last and probably most popular depreciating liability are vehicles. According to bankrate.com, a commonly quoted statistic says that new cars lose 10% or more of their value the minute you leave the dealer's lot. That being said, once you drive that $100,000 Range Rover 5 feet off the lot, the value of it instantly drops $10,000. It is pretty crazy when you think about it, right? Now, even though appreciating and depreciating things are very opposite, they can be leveraged to work together to make you lots of money. For example, buying an iPhone alone loses you money, and you can never sell the phone for the same value or better, but you can use it to network, negotiate, or even buy every single appreciating asset we have listed in this video. And if you happen to be learning something, leaving a like and subscribing to this channel. Another exception would be very particular liabilities that may increase in value. It is very rare, but some instances of this would include a vintage car bought a long time ago, unworn shoes that have ultra high demand and sell out quickly, or even certain collectibles. Overall, appreciation is better than depreciation. Review and research some appreciating assets to purchase and potentially add to your portfolio. These will help you steadily grow your wealth. The rate at which things appreciate and depreciate can greatly depend on the market. Some assets may be better to buy in a bear market rather than a bull market. It is critical to know what state the market is in, bull or bear. To get a complete understanding of a bull and bear market, click the video above. Other than that, make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Remember to always save smart and invest smarter.